Party news to the date of the 3rd of December 2019 year. A political reading was held in the primary organization New Road of the Konarik Rural Jamaat of Arfor district with participation of members of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in order to clarify priority areas of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan activity. The meeting was attended by party representatives who spoke around priority areas of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan activity, including the elimination of religious bigotry and superstition for the sake of reducing poverty and improving the life and essence of the laws of the Republic of Tajikistan, about streamlining of traditions, celebrations and ceremonies in the Republic of Tajikistan, and on parental responsibility for education and upbringing of children, and stressed that the implementation of existing laws is closely connected with each of us in creative action in the development and advancement of the motherland. The 13th Reporting Electoral Conference took place in the Assembly Hall of Executive Body of State Power of the Normalik District. The conference was attended and addressed by a member of the Executive Committee of the District Party, Acting Chairman of the District Amizoda Fotehi Faizulo. The conference considers the report of Executive Committee from May 2017 to November 2019, the report of the Audit Commission from May 2017 to November 2019, the election of a new composition of Executive Committee, the election of a new composition of the Audit Commission, the election of delegates to the 12th People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan Conference in Khatun region. At the end, People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan activists who made a significant contribution to the implementation of creative ideas of the party were awarded diplomas of regional and district executive committee, and 14 people were elected as a deputy of the 12th Regional Conference. In honor of the National Flag Day, a theoretical conference entitled From the Emblem of Kovion to the National Flag was held at the Tajik-Technological Pharmaceutical College located in Yovon district with participation of a wide range of young people and teachers. Representatives of Executive Committee expressed their opinion around the role and authority of this national shrine, and several active students of this college were presented the party commendation. Dedicated to the Day of National Flag of the Republic of Tajikistan, representatives of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Kushonyon district visited a resident of Mechanizator village of Bustonkala Jamaat settlement of Kushonyon district in the framework of the party action We Decide Together, and provided her with financial assistance. In order to promote creative party goals and priority areas of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan activity, there was organized a political reading in the primary organization Jamaat village of Kubodyon district on awareness of high civic responsibility in construction of civil society, with participation of responsible persons of District Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan. At the meeting, it was noticed that the education of young people is very important in the spirit of national self-knowledge, patriotic pride, a sense of responsibility for protecting the borders of the motherland, strict compliance with the law. It was stressed that if the responsibility of each person is realized in society, it can be built a full society. An invitation was accepted for the implementation of the party action We Decide Together, and we must make a contribution in a worthy celebration of 30th anniversary of state independence in the direction of improvement. There was organized a political reading in the primary organization Center of State Sanitary and Epidemiological Surveillance of Lewakan Town. According to the speech of party representatives, such meetings are held in accordance with the working plan of Executive Committee of Party in Lewakan Town, and they will be implemented to provide the people with priority party directions and their implementation. During the conversation, the officials expressed their opinion on the political situation in the world, comprehensive preparation for important political events, that is the elections of deputies to Majlis Oli of the country and to the local Majlises of People's Deputies, and invited all to political vigilance and high responsibility in party activity. There was conducted a political reading in the primary organization of the village Buson of the Balan Rural Jamaat of Muminobad district on priority areas of the party activity. At the event, party representatives spoke on support and contribution within the framework of the party action we decide together for a weekly meeting of 30th anniversary of state independence and called on everyone to perform creative and landscaping works. A political reading was conducted on priority areas of the party activity in the primary party organization Mehrwar of Lohur Rural Jamaat of Dangara district. The leadership of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in this district made a speech and expressed views on important issues, explaining the essence of national laws and on this basis the correct mobilization of mercy and cooperation for socio-economic and spiritual and cultural development of society. Speaking about the importance of keeping the law of the Republic of Tajikistan, about streamlining of traditions, celebrations and ceremonies in the Republic of Tajikistan, today we collected here not for the disappearance or elimination of folk rituals and religious ceremonies, but our main goal is, along with defining the rules of their conduct, to embark on a path of fanatism and superstition. A meeting was conducted in the primary organization Bahoristan of Fakhrobad Rural Jamaat of Khorasan district with participation of members and supporters of the party on priority areas of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan activity, achievements of state independence, teaching and proper education of children, and preventing young people from joining parties and movements of a terrorist and extremist nature, and the implementation of the practical part of the party action under the slogan "We Decide Together."